This is a 1979 Volkswagen Beetle, and convertible, of course, and it's had a lot of upgrading, I would say. Beautiful paint, looks showroom fresh, and that interior, gorgeous, amazing. Nice steering wheel, and the dash looks very good too. Of course, manual transmission. And a gentleman asked me if this was made in Mexico, and it might be, because that was the center for their importing VWs into the U.S. at this relatively late date. Really cool wheels. And wait till you see the engine compartment, and you'll see how much work has been done on this car. And here we are. Absolutely immaculate.